What's up, everybody? Kingsley Breaks here. We just filled up the second half. 2017-18 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection Hockey 8-box case break picker teams number 14. We just finished number 13. Jason F. in the YouTube stream bought this out. Wanted to do a personal, so grabbed every single team available. So this is going to be a personal break. 8 boxes of Ultimate Collection Hockey. So no need to even show you a list. No nothing. It's just going to be a personal inner case break. And let's do it. You guys like more Ultimate? I can always get more Ultimate if it's still available after it went to ePack, but I think we can still get some. So if you guys would like, I can always get another case of Ultimate for like next week. But there's a couple new products coming out in the next couple weeks. Splendor Hockey is coming out, which is going to be a beauty of a product. Be a little pricey per box, but then again, we can go through the checklist, guys. They're amazing cut autographs, beautiful cards. I mean, it's gonna be legit. Well, there you go. We can start off with a little Onyx right there, McAvoy. So Robert Hagg to $2.99 for the Flyers. Remember, this is a personal inner case. He bought out the whole break. And 8 of 25, Onyx, Charlie McAvoy. Nice one. More for the Bruins on this side. Imagine that. I think everybody probably thought the Bruins would be dead on this side, but that nice Onyx out of 25. Those sell extremely well too, guys. We got a Sebastian Aho. My screen is showing the website. Maybe you need a refresh, man. Hold on. Okay, you're good now? Okay. Yeah, every once in a while you may need to refresh it, depending on how the internet service is on your mobile at the house, but sometimes it could be on my end. But most of the time it's more like just changing the quality. But nice, look at that, Sebastian Aho Retro to 199. And we got an Alexander Nylander, Future Legacy Signatures. There's like a little chip there in the corner, just to show you, but still a nice hit right there for the Sabres. That's all good, man. No worries. I mean, this is your personal inner case, so I want you to watch it too. I don't want you to be like, no, wait. So I'll slow down for you in case you need it. All right, that was a pretty solid box. Look at that. That was a good one. All right, next box. Every time I see Nick Merkley, he looks like if he's Clayton Keller. Christian Juice to $3.99 for the Capitals. Well, like, from far away, you look at him, you're like, oh, it's Clayton Keller. And then you look, oh, no, it's Merkley. Nice, look at this. Matt Duchene, 89 of 99. Nice, what? 3-color patch in there? This is from an update from 16-17, I think. Nice one for the Colorado Avalanche. Yeah, that's true. That comes with it, huh? And we got a Kevin Shattenkirk. little patch and the ink for the Rangers. I think these are no numberings, more like odds. Alright, couple solid boxes. On to the next. Let's get some Pierre-Luc Dubois. You're a Columbus Blue Jackets fan, right, Jason? That'd be nice. Colin White. Samuel Morin to 399. Wow, look at that. Ed Balfour. Autograph. Nice one. Eddie the Eagle. Blackhawks with that one. But that's also going to Jason. Flat out the break. Yeah, hopefully, man. Well, speaking of this guy, hopefully we can get some ink next time. But there you go, little relic. PLB, or PLD, sorry. Next one. Little Connor McDavid, 32 of 99. That'd be nice to hit a little nice McDavid. I wonder if there's been like a McDavid shield pulled already. Oilers. Speaking of that man Jost earlier, Tyson Jost to 199, Ultimate Retro Rookie Autographs for the Colorado Avalanche. Little Adrian Kempe, relic to 299. And Michael Matheson to 49. 11 of 49. Florida Panthers. Little update from 16-17 Ultimate Collection. Alright, next box. We're halfway through the break. The newly freshly retired Daniel Sedin to 99. Vince Dunn to 399. Little Brock Besser, Future Legacy Relic. Hopefully some more Besser in the last 3 boxes. And 3-color patch for the Ottawa Senators to 149, autographed debut threads. I really like the autographed debut threads this year. They look really nice. They did a great job with that. Alright, 3 boxes to go. Travis Einheim. Kunin, Luke Kunin, 3/99, Ultimate Introductions autograph. That's also what I liked, that they updated as well. Minnesota Wild. Nice. Like, how about a Brett Hall? Look at that. Nice. All-Star uniform as well, so I think this would have went to the team he played for the longest. But there's a little Blues patch on there. So good thing that we didn't pull this in the pick your team, like, because if not, we would have had to investigate that one. And we got Erik Karlsson relic, little jersey. Yeah, the Hall does go well for with that Belfour, right? A couple nice legends on this side. Has been a pretty good case. I mean, minus, no best or anything like that, but we did get a Keller in the first half. We got that Shield autograph 101, some nice vest on this side. Hopefully some more hits to come on this side. Rosen to 3/99 for the Leafs. Logan Brown, Ultimate Introductions. Alex Kerfoot at 2/99. Had a lot of gold Ultimate Introductions this break and this whole master case. Alexander Nylander to 99, 44/99, Ultimate Introductions autograph. Nice. There's been cases where I didn't have any of these. It's like the fourth one. 2 in every inner case. Nice. Those are nice. I like those. And we got an Ultimate Performers patch or piece of jersey. 52/99, Carey Price for the Habs. Alright guys, last box. Good luck, Jason. Appreciate it, man. There's been some pretty big hits on this side as well. But that nice Forsberg Karlsson Shield autograph was pretty sweet, man. That'll definitely pay for most of this, at least. For sure. Logan Brown to 2/99. Robert Hagg, Ultimate Introductions. Victor Matt to 2/99. Yamamoto to 2/99. And a Christian Dvorak, 16/75 for the Oaks. And there you go, man. That was the break. So there you go, Jason. It's pretty solid rookies in here. A lot of those Ultimate Introduction rookie autographs was pretty solid. Brett Hall, legend autograph right there. We got a Belfour, Kunin. Some nice patch autographs, a couple Besser relics. Jost to 199 retro. Pretty solid. There's that Ed Belfour, was pretty sweet. Shattenkirk, Duchesne. Got a couple Nylanders in this one as well. This one was really nice. Sebastian Aho retro, rookie autograph. The McAvoy to 25 as well. But if you guys didn't see it earlier, Jason in the first half was able to get some really nice hits. including this beauty of a shield right here, Forsbacka Carlson 101. So that'll be on your way, including all this, man. Appreciate it. Kingsley breaks. We got some plat and some ice to work on if you guys want to work on some more breaks. We'll see you guys next time.